Okay, all you bike riding fans, the Army Corps of Engineers made this perfect day use area out by Lock and Dam 13. We're in Thomson, Illinois. And of course, there's always something that's got to be screwing with you. If it ain't the wind, it's somebody mowing the yard. So we're trying to take a look at this Indian mound and just kind of show you the day use area. And it's going to be a short-lived video. This mound was created around 100 BC, and it was rebuilt about 400 to 500 and 800 BC. So that's pretty wild. I took a picture of it, so if you want to know more, just research the day use area at Lock and Dam 13. Pretty cool day use area.